Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Modz, and today it's a very hot day, but it's Spitfire Thursday, so we have issue 69 of Build the Mark 1 Spitfire, and we're going to be working on the rear wheel today. That's going to go on the tail section of the plane, so this one should be quite interesting. It's not going to be a short one like it has been for the last couple of weeks, but yeah, it's going to be nice to be building something. So, with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so we're going to start by making the rear wheel. So we've got this tyre here, and we've got these two bits for the inner part of the wheel. And these, more or less, just sort of go into the thing. And sorry about that. Don't know why that is going off. Right, sorry about that. Technical difficulties today. So we've done that. Then what we need to do, we've got this bit here. This is the fixing bracket for the tail wheel, and you've noticed we've got sort of a larger hole and a smaller hole on this. And what we're going to do, we're just going to put it in just like that. Okay, then what we need to do, we need to get a PM 1.6 times 10mm screw, place that through the wheel, and then we're just going to screw this into place. Okay, and that's that wheel in. So moving on, what we need to do is we've got this part here. This is the strut for the tail wheel, and we're going to simply put this onto here. It does have like a little notch, but then we need to turn it upside down and put a screw in. So what might be easier is if I put the screw in first, then try and line it up the best I can. It's going to be, yeah, I might be better doing it on the, it is literally trying to get it all lined up and then holding it in position to get that screw in. Okay, this is not going to defeat me. So that way around. Right. I think I've got that caught. Yes, I have. I just hope I haven't cross-threaded. What I can do is I can back out and then back out again. I do believe it is cross-threaded. And then screw that all the way in, and that's what you should more or less have. Just check I can't get any more turns on that. Yep, check that. Yep, that's fine. That's absolutely fantastic. Okay, so what I need to do next is I need to bring the aircraft across, so I'll just stop recording while I do that. Okay, so we're back over here by the aircraft. Now I've had to really have a quick look at this offline on how this goes, but we've got like a little peg there, and this is going to basically sit on that little peg. Oops, oh no, it's because I knocked it. So it's going to sit like that, and then what we need to do is we've got this fixing plate to put on, and that's going to sit I'm at quite a weird angle. Right, in a minute. I've got to do it. Well, that's going to sit right, yeah. Going to sit something like that. Okay. Then what we need to do is we need to screw it in. Let's get that all lined up again. Definitely think I need to invest in a second sort of camera. Well, that's how you can see how that bracket's going to go on. Sorry, every time I line up my screwdriver to with a screw in it, the screw decides to come off. It's just done exactly the same again. I'm just going to try and get it back on. Do apologise for this, guys. We're more or less just going to screw this in place. Now what I might be better doing is standing up for this. You know it's getting serious when you start standing up to do your models. Well, this is working for me right now, so okay. Oh no, it's just dropped off. Get that back on. Come on. There we go. And then I'm just going to get the other one in and tighten them up. Now there is supposed to be movement in that wheel because it's got a bit like that. So there is meant to be movement there. Okay. If I'm not familiar, I think that might be what one of them 3 motors is for. Okay, so we've done that part. Next part we've got to do, scroll down the instructions, is we need to put in this bit here. Now it says, and it goes this way in, like that, and then we've got this backing bit to go on the other side, but it does say that this bit, sorry, needs to be glued on. So I'm just going to get a bit of glue. Oh, sorry. Tiny bit of glue so I can glue it into place. So again, that there. What I'll do is I'll switch to the overhead camera. I'll be able to see better what I'm doing. There we go. And I'm just going to glue this bit onto it. But need to get some glue on a cocktail stick. Okay, and then we just need to slide this down just like so, and then do believe this needs to still move, which it does. So, and we just need to let that glue set, and that is it for this issue 69 of the Spitfire. So Yeah, that's come a long way. A bit of a difficult recording with it and stuff like that, but managed to get it done, and yeah, I'm quite happy with it. So that's issue 69 complete. Well, that's it for the Spitfire, everybody, guys. It's been a really interesting issue to do. I'm really chuffed with the way it's looking. I know some people out there will be modding theirs and painting the bits and pieces, but I'm just leaving mine stock for now. But I do think I've figured out what the 3 motors are for. So I reckon one is for the rudder, 2 is for the ailerons on the rear tail, and then I think the 3rd motor is for lifting and lowering that wheel that we've just put on. It looks like it could be. Anyway, we'll just have to wait and see. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you're notified of any future videos. But as for always, guys, stay safe and bye for now.